Okay, diretso na tayo. Legal po ba, Kuya Mark, ang live-in relationship sa Pilipinas?
Yung tinatawag na live-in relationship or kasal sa banig, hindi naman krimen yan. Hindi naman pinagbabawal sa batas, walang tinatawag na parusa kung mag-live-in kayo. As long as you are in the legal age. Kasi legal age, at least 18 si babae, 18 sa lalaki. As long as you are in the legal age, hindi krimen ang live-in relationship. So, ibig sabihin doon, may nangyari talaga na live-in relationship but hindi matatawag na krimen yan. Hindi yan pinagbawal ng batas ng Pilipinas. We are talking here of the legal concept in law, ha? We are talking of our faith o anong mga reliyon dyan. We are talking here of the legal concept. Walang krimen kung mag-live-in kayo. Hindi krimen yan, hindi kriminal yan. Walang parusa sa batas yan. And in fact, may mga protection din sa batas if you are in a live-in relationship.
Kuya Mark, may common law marriage ba sa Pilipinas?
Wala. Ang sa batas, dalawang klase lang. Kasal ka or hindi kayo kasal. Yan lang. Kung kasal ka, di mag-asawa kayo. Kung hindi kayo kasal, then nagsasama kayo bilang mag-asawa, you are in a live-in relationship. Ang tawag sa'yo, common law husband, ikaw common law husband, common law wife. But it doesn't mean na common law marriage. So there's no such thing as common law marriage. Kasi pag kasal ang pinag-usapan, MJ, dapat may marriage contract. May marriage contract, pinirmahan ni babae, pinirmahan ni lalaki. In the presence of the solemnizing officer. When say solemnizing officer, pastor, pare, mayor, judge, gano'n. Yun ang tinatawag na solemnizing officer. So may pinirmahan kang kontrata, babae, si lalaki, may mga witness in the presence of the solemnizing officer. Yun ang kasal. Kung nagsasama lang kayo bilang mag-asawa, nagpa-picture lang kayo, ikaw babae, nagsuot ka ng pangkasal, ikaw lalaki, nagsuot ka ng Amerikana, nagpa-picture lang kayo, hindi kasal yan. Pwede yan matatawag, pwedeng drama, ceremonial marriage, or ano ba, but that is not kasal in law. In law, in the Philippines, walang tinatawag na common law marriage. Either kasal ka or live-in relationship ka. Yun lang yan. Or live-in relationship or tinatawag sa batas na common law relationship. There's no such thing as common law marriage because in the Philippines, when you talk about marriage, kailangan may marriage contract. That's why kung sabihin ni lalaki, binata ako. O binata ka, o pakita mo yung yung sinumar mo. O gano'n lang yan. Kasal ako, o pakita mo marriage contract mo. Kung wala kang ipakitang gano'n, ibig sabihin, hindi ka kasal. O ibig sabihin, hindi ka kasal, so yung relationship ninyo is only in a live-in relationship or common law relationship.
Kaya pala, nabasa ko sa mga balita, di ba? Yung si FBRD, minimension yung First Lady, common law wife. Yung pala yun.
Common law wife. Yung sabihin,
yung pala ibig sabihin nun.
nagsasama sila bilang mag-asawa at walang bas-bas na kasal. Common law wife.